DJI controls 76% of the global consumer drone market. But what if you can't or don't want to buy Chinese drones? What if data security matters? What if you need US government-approved equipment? There are 3 non-Chinese drone brands that actually compete with DJI on capability. Not cheap knockoffs, real alternatives with real performance. And for certain use cases, they're actually better. In the next 8 minutes, I'm breaking down Autel, Skydio, and Parrot. Which one matches DJI feature for feature? Which one dominates in autonomy? And which one you've probably never heard of but should consider? Let's talk about why you might need a non-Chinese drone, because this isn't just about preference anymore. The US government banned DJI drones from federal agency use, citing data security concerns. Many state and local governments followed. Defense contractors can't use DJI. Critical infrastructure companies are moving away from DJI. And if you're bidding on government contracts, DJI disqualifies you. The Department of Defense maintains a blue sUAS list of approved drones for government use. DJI isn't on it. Autel and Skydio area. But even beyond government work, enterprise clients are increasingly requiring non-Chinese equipment. Insurance, companies, utility providers, law enforcement, they're all looking for DJI alternatives. The non-Chinese drone market is growing 48% year over year. These aren't niche products anymore. They're becoming mainstream alternatives with the features and performance to back it up. So here are your 3 real options. Autel Robotics is the closest thing to a direct DJI replacement. They make consumer and professional drones that match DJI, spec for spec in most categories. The Autel lineup, Evo Nano. Plus, this is Autel's answer to the DJI Mini Series. Under 249 grams, so no registration required. 50 megapixel camera. Obstacle avoidance in 3 directions. 4K video at 30 frames per second. Price $799. That's about $100 more than the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The advantage? Airy YYB sensor technology that performs better in low light than DJI sensors. The footage coming out of this tiny drone is impressive. Evo Light Plus. This competes with the DJI Air 3, 1-inch CMOS sensor, 6K video, 40 minutes flight time. Omnidirectional, obstacle avoidance, price $1,299. Competitive with DJI's pricing. The standout feature? Dynamic Track 2.0, which actually outperforms DJI's Active Track in complex environments. I've tested. Both Autel's tracking is more persistent when subjects move behind obstacles. Evo Max 4T, this is Autel's enterprise platform. Thermal imaging, laser rangefinder, night vision camera, IP43 weather, rating modular payload system. Price $8,000 to $10,000 depending on configuration. This competes directly with DJI's Matrice series, but with better weather resistance and US-based support. Autel's strengths, feature parity with DJI across most metrics, better low-light camera performance, more rugged build, quality, US-based customer support, blue sUAS approved for government work. Autel weaknesses, smaller ecosystem of accessories, less refined app experience than DJI, fewer authorized dealers for hands-on demos. Software updates are less frequent. Who should buy Autel? Government contractors, enterprise clients with data security requirements, commercial pilots who need DJI equivalent performance from non-Chinese manufacturers, anyone who values camera quality and challenging lighting. Real-world Autel users include utility companies doing infrastructure inspection, law enforcement agencies, search and rescue teams, agricultural operations, basically anywhere DJI would be used but isn't allowed. Skydio is completely different from Autel and DJI. They don't compete on camera specs or flight time. They compete on one thing: autonomous intelligence. Skydio drones see the world in 3D and fly themselves around obstacles without pilot input. This isn't DJI's simple obstacle avoidance. This is full autonomous navigation. Skydio X10, this is their flagship enterprise drone. 6 4K navigation cameras create a complete 3D environmental map. The drone can fly full speed through forests, under bridges, and around complex structures without human control. Price, $15,000 to $25,000 depending on configuration. Here's the difference. DJI ActiveTrack follows a subject but requires the pilot to manually avoid obstacles. Skydio tracks the subject and autonomously navigates around obstacles. The pilot just monitors. The drone does everything else. This makes Skydio perfect for specific use cases. Action sports filming, where the athlete is moving through complex terrain. Industrial inspection of structures like bridges, towers, and buildings where manual flying is risky. Security and patrol, operations where autonomous flight paths are needed. Skydio Dock takes autonomy further. The drone lives in a weatherproof base station. It charges itself, launches on schedule or on demand, flies autonomous missions, returns and recharges, no pilot present. Price, $10,000 for dock, $15,000 for X10 drone, $25,000 total for fully autonomous operation. This enables applications that are impossible with traditional drones. Autonomous security patrols, regular infrastructure, monitoring without sending personnel, emergency response where drones can be deployed before first responders arrive, Skydio strengths, unmatched autonomous flight, best-in-class obstacle avoidance. Purpose-built for hands-free operation, US manufactured with Fort Knox level data security, sUAS approved, Skydio weaknesses, enterprise pricing only, no consumer models currently available, limited camera options compared to DJI, shorter flight time than competitors, requires specific use cases to justify cost. Who should buy Skydio? Enterprise and government only. This isn't a consumer or prosumer brand. Law enforcement, critical infrastructure, industrial inspection, defense contractors. If you need autonomous operations or US manufactured equipment, Skydio is your only real option. Current Skydio users include over 500 federal, state, and local government agencies, major energy companies, Fortune 500, corporations. They're not competing in the consumer space, they're dominating in enterprise autonomy. Parrot is the dark horse. French company, European engineering. They don't compete on specs or autonomy, they compete on unique features you can't get anywhere else. Parrot Anafi USA. This is their government-approved platform. 32 times zoom, thermal imaging, 90-degree vertical camera tilt. Folds down to pocket size, made in USA. Price $7,000 to $11,000 depending on configuration. The killer feature? The camera tilts up, not just level and down like every other drone. Up. This means you can inspect the underside of bridges, overpasses, and structures without risky positioning. You can shoot upward for unique creative angles. It's a simple feature that opens up shots impossible on other drones. Parrot Anafi I, their newest platform. 4G LTE connectivity for beyond visual line of sight. 48-megapixel camera. Photogrammetry optimized. IP53 weather rating. Price $8,000 to $12,000. The unique selling point is 4G connectivity. Instead of relying on radio control, the drone uses cellular networks. This enables true long-range operations limited only by cellular coverage, not controller range. Parrot strengths, unique camera capabilities with upward tilt. Ultra compact and portable for enterprise-grade capability. 4G connectivity enables extreme range. European and US manufacturing options. Solid software for mapping, in-depth inspection. sUAS approved. Parrot weaknesses. Smaller market presence means fewer support resources. Battery life is shorter than competitors. Limited ecosystem compared to DJI or Autel. Higher price point for consumer-level features. Less refined autonomous modes than Skydio. Who should buy Parrot? Inspection professionals who need the upward camera tilt. Government agencies that require. European or US manufacturing. Operators who need 4G long-range capability. Pilots who prioritize portability and enterprise dash. Great equipment. Real-world applications include bridge inspection where underside access is critical. Architectural documentation with unique angles. Government surveillance with long-range connectivity. Energy infrastructure monitoring across large, geographic areas using cellular connection. So which non-Chinese drone should you actually buy? Here's the decision framework. If you need a DJI replacement for standard commercial work, buy Autel. You get equivalent features, similar pricing, better. Low light performance and US support. The Evo Lite Plus is the most direct DJI Air 3 replacement. The Evo Nano Plus replaces the Mini series. If you need autonomous operations or US government approval, buy Skydio. Nothing else comes close for hands-free. Intelligent flight. Yes, it's expensive, but if autonomy is your requirement, Skydio is your only real option. If you need specialized inspection capabilities or extreme portability, buy Parrot. The upward camera tilt and 4 jaws connectivity are unique features that enable specific applications impossible on other platforms. Pricing reality. Non-Chinese drones cost 20 to 40% more than equivalent DJI models. Autel Evo Lite Plus at $1,002. $199 versus DJI Air 3 at $1,099. Skydio X10 at $15,000 versus DJI. Matrice 30T at $10,000. Parrot Anafi USA at $7,000 versus DJI. Mavic 3 Enterprise at $5,000. You're paying a premium for non-Chinese manufacturing, data security, and government approval. The question is whether your use case justifies that premium. Quick decision tree. Do you need government approval or data security? Yes, then Autel, Skydio, or Parrot, depending on use. Case no, then consider if DJI meets your needs at lower cost. Do you need full autonomous operations? Yes, then Skydio only. No, then Autel or Parrot. Do you need specialized inspection features like upward camera or 4G? Yes, then Parrot. No, then Autel for general use. The non-Chinese drone market is no longer about settling for inferior alternatives. Autel, Skydio, and Parrot are legitimate competitors with capabilities that match or exceed DJI in specific areas. Yes, you'll pay more. Yes, the ecosystems are smaller. But if you need government approval, data security, or specific features like Skydio's autonomy or Parrot's camera flexibility, these are your options. The Drone Business Launch Pack includes detailed equipment guides for all major drone brands, side-by-side comparisons, use case recommendations, which drones make sense for which business models, whether to go Chinese or non-Chinese, based on your client base. Link is in the description. Drop a comment. Are you using any non-Chinese drones? What's been your experience compared to DJI? If this video opened your eyes to real DJI alternatives, hit that like button. Subscribe because we're covering equipment, reviews and comparisons regularly. There is life beyond DJI. You just need to know where to look